The following is an overview demonstration of Workday Adaptive Planning's capabilities in support of personnel planning for nonprofit organizations. Most nonprofit organizations have unique personnel and staff planning requirements. This demo will highlight several effective modeling options around personnel and staff planning and the resulting reporting and analysis you can achieve, which will provide greater insight into your personnel, data, and metrics. For example, adaptive planning with dashboards provide dynamic visual insight into any critical planning area, including personnel and workforce metrics such as headcount, headcount trends, cost of workforce, and compensation across programs. These dashboards provide the ability for users to perform powerful visual analysis by any required element. In this example, understanding organization headcount breakdown by division and across individual programs. Workday Adaptive Planning's powerful modeling sheets enable institutions to model out and analyze any critical planning area at any detail required. For example, your organization will not only be able to easily plan headcount, including salary, benefits, taxes, union grade, and other employee-related costs across departments and programs, but also effectively integrate with HR and payroll systems to pull in employee data and utilize multiple fringe rate assumptions. Within this detailed personnel planning sheet, not only is all required employee data being planned for, but also individual employees and their related costs are being allocated across programs to provide greater insight into program financial performance. So in this example, we're able to allocate an individual employee across any program or programs required, and also estimating their time percent that will be allocated for that particular program. Other options include the capability to plan personnel at a higher level, such as position level for certain segments of your workforce. Regardless of the detail that your personnel is planned at, Workday Adaptive Planning supports centralized driver-based assumptions to quickly update employee cost data across the organization. These assumptions can also be powerfully leveraged to quickly update and generate what-if scenarios to view the impact on financials and KPIs, such as modifying merit, tax, benefit, or other employee rates. Workday Adaptive Planning's dynamic reports and dashboards can then be utilized for any type of personnel analytics required. As a recap, within Workday Adaptive Planning's powerful personnel planning capabilities, your organization will be able to gain immediate insight into your critical performance indicators and data. This will enable timely scenario analysis for faster, accurate decisions.